What are you guys doing? Show Mama what you Cromwell doing. Are you playing with Cromwell? With the feather? Cromwell, be nice. Did he get you? Do you want Mama to kiss it and make it better? Do you want Mama to kiss it and make it better? No, you're okay. Where's Cromwell? Are you going to grab Cromwell's tail? Oh, I shouldn't suggest such things to you, should I? Okay. Oh, 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 where's my boy? Oh, I think all my creatures in the house like to play with feathers. Beep. Boop. Look, see, even Curly was going to get in on some of that action. Does Curly like the feather? Where's Cromwell? Malcolm, where's Cromwell? Oh, there goes Cromwell.